This video is not sponsored by Apple. This video is my honest review of my new Apple Watch Ultra 2. I consider myself the biggest Apple Watch fan in the world. I was using Apple Watch way before it was even invented. I was using my old iPod Nano with a wristband. How cool is that? Honestly, I think Apple Watch is underpriced. It should be more expensive because of the value it gives you. It's the best fitness tracker, it's the best iPhone companion, so $800 is a fair price for this kind of products. Apple Watch Ultra 2 is the best Apple Watch ever made, and technically, they are not lying. But before starting the actual video, I just want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and activate notifications for all my future videos. I would really appreciate your support. Without losing more of your time, let's go straight to the topic of this video. What I like about the Apple Watch Ultra 2? A brand new S9 chip, which means faster apps opening, faster voice dictation, it reduces loading delay, even changing tracks in the music app is a fraction of a second faster than before, and it changes the whole user experience. It makes it more enjoyable and faster. So definitely there is a difference between the previous processor and the new one. Siri now works in offline mode and she's processing your request on device, which means it's now extremely fast and accurate. Literally, I can just raise my wrist and say, Siri, open mail. Siri, start new workout. Siri, open parcel app. Siri, call Tim Cook. Stuff like that. It's really impossible to edit this video because every time I'm saying Siri, it activates Siri on my iPhone. Have a look, just have a look. Siri, call Tim Cook. Stuff like that. On the previous...
Calling Tim Cook.
Shit, what the
Mobile.
fuck? On the previous chip, sometimes it might took ages to process Siri requests because of poor internet speed, and I was very frustrated because I had to wait like 5 to 10 seconds before Siri opened the app. Now it's super fast and 100% accurate. Apple Watch 2 has a very good battery life, knowing that I am a very heavy user. Apple announces 36 hours on a single charge and up to 72 hours using low power mode. So being a heavy user with at least 2 hours of workout per day, with music streaming and GPS tracking, more than that, I use Apple Watch also as my sleep tracking and my wallet. Thanks to Apple Pay. I can go through 2.5 full days of usage on a single charge, with always on display, always turned on. The battery is 2 times better than the Series 7, 8 or 9, although the Apple Watch Ultra already had a great battery life. Talking about display, now it's even brighter. At 3000 nits, it's more than enough to use your watch even in bright sun. Plus, always on display is brighter as well. You can use an always on display and even disable wake on the wrist. You can see time and complications without even raising your wrist. It works just fine. Another important update is the storage capacity. Now Apple Watch 2 has a 64GB. They've doubled it, going from 32 GB. Finally, I can upload all my music and podcasts and use it in offline mode, when I'm running for example, so definitely a good change. Thanks to the updated ultra-wideband chip, you can now use the precision finding feature and find your iPhone even faster. It will show you an arrow to find your iPhone, like the AirTag. Previously it was not possible, so definitely a good change. Double tap gesture is a good feature, but it already existed before as an accessibility feature. You can operate your watch using double clench gestures, but okay, I'm glad Apple implemented it in a new way. Apple Watch Ultra 2 is extremely durable and surprisingly light. It has sapphire glass over the display, but I'm still using a screen protector just in case. Apple Watch Ultra 2 has a precision dual frequency GPS. If you don't even know what is dual frequency GPS, I don't even think you need this feature. So basically it allows you to track your workouts in a more precise way, especially in big cities. Diving. With Apple Watch Ultra 2 you can dive up to 100 meters. However, I am not a diver and I don't even think I will ever try this feature, but in case I will, I know that Apple Watch Ultra 2 has this feature too. Apple Watch Ultra 2 can do so many things, but faster and better, like iMessage, music, podcasts and even web browsing. Thanks to the bigger 49mm display. Check it out, I can even go on Instagram and watch stories on my Apple Watch. How cool is that? What I hate about Apple Watch Ultra 2? watchOS 10. is a perfect example of how make people hate the Apple Watch. Apple did some changes. Now you can access the control center only by pressing on a home button, which is completely not natural. Before you could just swipe from the bottom of the screen and access your control center. Why did they decide to change it? Like, why? The answer is simple. They've added widgets. I used them once or twice and then I forgot about it. But if you like widgets, it might be a nice update for you. Besides that, I don't see any bad points about Apple Watch Ultra 2.
It is our mission in life to make other people's lives easier and to sort of leave the world a bit better than we found.
Verdict: the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is the ultimate Apple Watch you can get. I think Apple should even raise its price because of the value it gives you. Apple Watch Ultra 2 is one of the most advanced fitness health tracker the money can buy, the best smartwatch iPhone companion. Guys, I almost forgot about the best feature of this Apple Watch Ultra 2. It also shows you the current time. Kinda cool, huh? Should you update your Apple Watch Ultra first generation to second generation? Honestly, I think yes. If you have the money, go and buy it. You will feel a significant difference, especially when operating the watch or using Siri. Besides that, it's the same Apple Watch Ultra but better. Thanks for watching, see you later on YouTube. Bye bye.